She's new, and she's only on Sprout. She's Fifi.
Hello. Welcome to Flowertot Garden,
where there are seeds to sow and friendships to grow. And even a helper named Mo. But what's the best part about Flowertot Garden?
Do you know?
There's always an adventure, no matter how high or how low. Come play with Fifi and the Flowertots every sunny side up morning, right here, only on Sprout.
I'd call that a Flowertot deal.
Every Sprout afternoon, share a dance with Angelina Ballerina.
Angelina Mouseling, famous star and prima ballerina.
Angelina's ready to perform, and she wants you to come along.
Hooray!
Can you dance on your tippy toes and pirouette through the sky?
Watch me, remember?
Join Angelina and give it a try.
Beautiful, darling, beautiful.
So put on your dancing shoes and share a dance with Angelina Ballerina every afternoon on the Sprout Sharing Show.
Don't go away, Sproutlets. We'll be right back.
Just when you think you have enough space, your things grow. It gets cramped, cluttered, and out of control. But now, there's a smart solution for storing too much stuff and not enough space. Space Bag Vacuum Seal Storage Packs. They come in 2 designs, flat and the amazing cube. It's like fitting 4 storage bins in 1 bag, giving you the power to control the clutter. Here's how it works. Just pack your items, seal the airtight zipper, then take any vacuum with a hose and vacuum out the air. Everything stays compressed and protected. Each space bag is made with 4 layers of protection, guaranteed to lock out dirt, bugs, and moisture. So when you open them, everything comes out as fresh and clean as the day you put it in. There's an entire family of space bag solutions, from super high-capacity cubes to flat bags that store under the bed, in drawers, anywhere. No wonder Good Housekeeping calls space bags a smart solution for cramped closets and a better value than plastic bins.
What was this big stack of clothes on your bed is now this flat little package.
I've got several sweaters for my daughter in here, and it's so tiny, I can put it almost anywhere. It just allows your home to have so much more livable space.
Oh, I'm very happy with my space bags. I love them.
You can find space bag products in thousands of stores, but the best offer ever is right here on TV. We'll send you the Jumbo Cube plus 2 large and 2 medium bags for just $19.95. Call now and get an additional Jumbo Cube bag, yours free. Plus, get a special vacuum seal hanging bag for coats and dresses, a $10 value at no extra cost. Altogether, that's a $60 value for just $19.95, and it all comes with an unconditional money-back guarantee. If you have too much stuff and not enough space, get the smart solution, Space Bag Storage Packs. This TV offer is
What it could be. Do you wonder too, Sproutlets? Yes! Oh, well, can we have a clue, Miles, can we?
Sure, Banjo.
Okay.
Our adventure today is about a place where you can find lots and lots of books on shelves.
Oh.
And when you're there, you have to be, shh, very quiet.
Okay,